spider right over here on that?
Yeah, just throw it out here. Yeah, I see that gannip tree right there. Oh, spider webs take over quick.
I always like to use something as a spider web deterrent anything, or a sweeper.
As a matter of fact, just lay it where you, man. If you pull it up, just lay it back where you got it. That's fine. That's fine. I just thought about it.
Maybe we could cut the ends off those so it doesn't have to.
Hey, look at this plant over here that I propagated. The one that we had to use the plant identifier for. I trimmed it, and look at what happened to it.
And what did it say it was? We're not sure yet.
No. But yeah, it grew. Look at that.
It really is something. You can tell just by the look of it.
And I added potting soil
like
to it and wood chips.
Freakishly large leafed, doesn't it? They're just the top, like how this is.
Kinda.
A little bit. I appreciate the consideration.
Yeah. But yeah, see what I did with this one to get this one to recover. And then here's the banana. See, this one wasn't standing up. So you see I put potting soil down there. I meant not potting soil, I put soil down there. And then I put this rock here to get it to stand straight up.
Should we cut a couple of those bottom leaves off so it can just focus on like that top leaf?
Yeah, if you give me the scissors.
Yeah.
It surely will. Matter of fact, this top leaf is already hard. I will do that. Same thing with this one. So that's how we do. That's how we maintain banana trees and plantain trees. What we have to do is trim the bottom leaves off to stimulate root growth. And once we stimulate root growth, the tree grows more efficiently. What it needs to keep is the leader leaf. Anytime you're growing bananas and plantains, always keep the leader leaf. See, this leaf is hard, and this leaf is hard right here. That's hard, that's hard. Or firm, I should say. And whatever plant this is coming from next door, I kind of like it. This one has not yet been identified. This one right here. It is growing though. So we'll see. I might. It may be the same as this tree, but this one has so many thorns on it. But yeah, notice, back to this tree. The mushrooms growing from it. It's really soft. Let me see if you can see that. I can press in the bark. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can see that. Yep. See, what I like to do is, another thing, I'm going to take this plant and I'm going to trim it to about the fence line, the top of the fence line, which is about 6 feet, to make sure that when we're all in here, we can walk around the entire fence and be completely shaded. Like there's just going to be a canopy. You know, and we're going to be surrounded in, well, we're already surrounded in fruit trees. But yeah, that's the goal. Orange trees back there, and coconuts, bananas, fruit trees everywhere. Tropical environment. I love myself. So yeah, we're gonna get that. If I can get this branch, these thorns are see. Oh, here we go. Look at these thorns. Focus. Right here. It'll focus. Well, anyway. Yeah, this thing's full of thorns. And that's no bueno. Well, it's alright. Let me see where the bottom of this is. Oh, yeah, this is the same plant. Now I know. There's a lot of thorns. I gotta cut one of these. I gotta cut these down. This is growing from the bottom. All right. Got all this tropical stuff out of here. It's a great video. Here's another banana. What I'm doing is I put some potting soil down here. And I want to see if I can get these roots started on this thing. Let's see. It may work. It does. If it does, I'm having a banana tree here. And in these empty spots, well, I kind of want to keep it empty so that in the future, to get to whatever's growing over here. Ooh, camera, why are you going so? To get what's going to growing, to get to what's growing over here, I want to have this opening here. Hey, camera. Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, that's everything so far. What is this vine growing? Oh yeah, Ringo's in the back. But that's all for right now. I love myself.